In this video, I will discuss about the joins in the DBMS. So in order to open the MySQL window, click the start button, choose MySQL. So type the root password. So I will try to change the font size. Change the layout also. If you want to increase the size of the screen. So make use of the DBMS, use DB1. So database changed. So after this, what I should do is I try to display the table. So select star from employee. So this is the employee table. So it contains employee ID, employee names, their city, the designation, and the manager ID. So I want to perform the self join on this particular table. So what is a self join? Is joining within the table itself is called as a self join. So here employee ID, each employee has having some manager, so that is identified by the manager ID. So I want to display the managers of the particular employees. So all these employees, I want to display the manager names of these employees. So how to do this? So perform the self join. So in order to perform the self join, I have to write where you can say employee e2 dot name comma e1 dot ename from employee e1 comma employee e2, where e1 dot employee id is equal to e2 dot employee id MID. So this will perform the self join. So you can see now Peter is the employee manager of himself. So his name is displayed James. The particular for James the employee is Peter. For Anne the employee is Peter. So you can get all the employee names as well as the manager names. So let us try to understand the cross join. So cross join is nothing but the Cartesian product of the two different tables. So let us try to understand this. So this is my employee table. We'll take some different example now of customer and orders, which I already created it. So these are the two different tables. Now I want to perform cross join. Cross join is nothing but the Cartesian product of these two tables. So how to perform the cross join? For cross join, there is no any conditions. So here customer ID is customer ID of this table and customer ID of this table. So here you can see that customer ID 2 is not matching with 1, but yet it is joined. 3 is not matching with 1, but still it is displayed. So here there is no any matching IDs. So I need to have a matching IDs. Only I want to display the matching IDs. So how to do this? So that is called as the inner join. So inner join, how to do the inner join? So let us try to perform the inner join on this particular table. So now the matching IDs are already displayed. So this is called as the inner join. So you can observe 1 is matched with 1, 2 is matched with 2, and 3 is matched with 3. So let us try to understand the left join. So left join is nothing but we try to match all the tuples in the left table. So that is nothing but the customer table with the right table. So right table is the order table. So those unmatched tuples will be displayed as the null values. So this, how to perform this particular operation. So you, instead of inner join, you just write down the left. So unmatched tuples are these 4, customer ID 4 and 5. They are not matched with the order table. So these are not going to be displayed. So we are joining only on the customer IDs, but these are not matching, so they are displayed as a null value. So exactly opposite of the right join is nothing but the left join. Exactly opposite of the left join is nothing but the right join. So let us try to understand the right join. So instead of left, we just write right here. So now what happens, this 4 and 5 are taken by some other customers. So now these are displayed as a null values here because they are not matching with the customer table. So these orders are not matching with the customer table, so they are displayed as the null values. So this is the right join. So a combination of the left and right is nothing but the full outer join. So full outer join, in order to perform the full outer join, you have to write union word. Again, I'll just copy these things. So this is nothing but the combination of the left and the right outer join. So you can get the results by executing this query. So this is what I discussed in this video. Thanks for watching.